Welcome! Today, I'll show you how to prevent members from sending messages in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. This is a great way to keep your group focused, organized, or simply pause conversations when needed. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to web.telegram.org. Log into your Telegram account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look through your chat list and open the group where you're an admin and want to control message permissions. At the top of the group chat, you'll see the group's name. Click on it. This will open the group's information panel, where you can see details about the group and access various management options. Next, look for the edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil or a small gear. Click on this icon. This takes you into the group's settings, where you have control over many aspects of your group. Now, find and select the Permissions section. This is where you decide what group members are allowed to do. Here, you'll see a list of permissions that you can toggle on or off for all members. Locate the option labeled Send Messages. To prevent members from sending messages, simply disable this option by clicking the toggle so it turns off. This will immediately stop everyone in the group, except admins, from being able to send new messages. Once you've disabled the Send Messages permission, don't forget to click Save. This will apply the new settings and lock down the chat for all regular members. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken control of your group's conversation flow. This feature is perfect for announcements, important updates, or just keeping things tidy. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on managing your Telegram groups effectively. Stay organized and in control with Telegram Web on your PC.